been so long. You know how I know it's been too long? It's because my camera is so dusty from just sitting on my table. Just a quick update on my health. I have been feeling better, but still not the best. Today was an okay day. Yesterday was awful. I was just in bed crying all day, but I thought since today was a semi-good day, we would do something fun together, and my birthday's coming up, and I really wanted to bake a cake with you guys like I did last year. So let's get ready to bake a cake with me and Lauren. If you guys saw my video last year, we did the same thing, but we have a specific idea today. I'm gonna insert some clips of what I wanted. I wanted to do like a bunny or a dog, but because I'm feeling sick and I don't have a lot of energy, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that. So we opted for something minimal, and it's this, the jelly cat cake that I've been seeing all over TikTok. Every time I send a picture to Lauren about the jelly cat cake, she's like, that looks so dry but very cute, so let's make it. So we're gonna try to attempt to do that today while I feel decently better. And I also have an MRI appointment, so after I finish baking the cake, we're gonna have to go straight to my MRI appointment to make sure my head and my brain's okay, and I'm actually really nervous for that. I think in general my body's been so sensitive because I've been having like a lot of health anxiety, and now like thinking of being in like a claustrophobic tiny thing for like almost 30 minutes to an hour is like kind of freaking me out and giving me anxiety. But we're gonna just build this cake together and hope everything's okay. And I don't know if you guys saw my Instagram story, but I literally found a 4-leaf clover today, so I'm really praying that I'm trying to manifest that, and hopefully like that good luck energy was like meant for me. And I'm so happy because it's been a really rough month, 3 months of being sick and just being so out of it. So that was a really long rant. I'm sorry. That was like me trauma dumping on you guys, but we're gonna go build a cake. I'm so excited. Let's go bake our cake. Hi everyone, welcome back to our kitchen. So Lauren and I are gonna make a cake today because today is a good day that I'm feeling okay. We have two options. So Tower 28 sent me this like a couple months ago. Not sure when this expires, but it was for their softie launch. But the problem is like this has confettis in it. I've been wanting to use this, but it has confetti, and I don't think the jelly cat that we're making should have confetti. Maybe we can make like two, like one birthday cake edition. And then we also got we're gonna make cake from scratch because Lauren does not want to use boxed cake mix. So we're gonna try to do that. And this is all the stuff. So this is the stuff that we got. We got some jam and butter, candles. So let's see what we can cook up.
I forgot to take the eggs out.
And like this is so cute. And this is pretty easy, I think. Very minimalistic. I think we can do it. And last year we made a really cute flower cake that you guys really liked, and I saw like inspo pics on Pinterest. So you guys thought it was Pinterest worthy. So hopefully this year's will also be living up to that Pinterest worthy expectation. Okay, Lauren's starting. Lauren's the baker, and I'm not much of a baker, so this is gonna be all on Lauren. Next episode, Madeline's. Yeah, I want to make Madeline's so bad. Oh my god,
that's
I'm back in the
so dangerous. That is so dangerous.
Okay, we're cooking it up. There you go.
Okay, let's just add the sugar so we can like make it more dense.
Or let's just use a fork and like smash it down. Fork.
Where's the sugar? So
Did you record? Yeah. I will help you. It's so hard to like do anything while filming at the same time. Like filming your skincare, filming makeup, anything that you just have to do the extra step and film.
Ready?
It's so hard.
this is half a cup of sugar. We need 2 cups, but we only have half a cup.
Wait, why?
I can't find the full cup.
Oh, but we're gonna put more in, right?
Yeah, we're just gonna put in a cup at a time.
We're not pro bakers, guys.
Oh my god!
Bruh.
It's okay, we can just add this back in.
Bruh.
Anyways, this is dangerous. How do we, like, that's the
Oh my
lowest
God,
speed
it's
and it's
everywhere.
launching everything everywhere. Should we get a new, like, baking supply? Whisk in the future?
I think it's the whisk that's the problem.
Yeah, it is. Look how strong this is. This is so dangerous.
It's spraying everywhere.
I don't know what to do. Maybe we just needed a taller bowl. Together.
Looks better.
Yeah, it looks better. Why isn't it creamy?
To get more to
TikTok POV, TikTok POV,
YouTube POV. This is like the aesthetic POV. This is the chaotic. We don't know what we're doing POV.
I know what I'm doing. Don't look at me like that.
This is so good.
I need.
I said I was feeling a little like weak today, so just trying to take it easy. Trying to snack a little bit more because I've had no appetite, and this is my current fixation. The Ojigon Dantongs. They're like little squid calamari balls, but they don't really taste like squid, but there's peanut inside. You can hear the rattling. It's so good. It's so good. Hey, couldn't you have told me that you're filming so they don't see me like this, but they see me? Lauren said she wanted an apron, and I remember that Beekman sent me one. So, dude, this is so beautiful. I'm modeling it for her. Look, this is so pillowy. It looks so... Don't touch it with your dirty... You have now been upgraded to my elite employee.
I've been your elite employee.
I want to do a tiny taste test
It's butter.
of the raw butter and egg
And sugar.
and sugar. Oh, that's so good.
Oh, I wonder why. Shout out my housemate. She taught me a hack on how to fold stuff so I don't need a clip. I love her. So you fold it and then you fold it like this and then like this. So it becomes like a little triangle right here. And then you flip it from the opposite direction. And it's supposed to seal it shut like this. That's what I learned in college. Stay in school. Get your hair out of my food!
This is why we need hair nets.
You need a hairnet. I have my hair tied up. Hey, boy.
Oh, safety, food precaution.
Crazy is my sister worked in the food industry.
I did. I worked at the movie theaters.
Oh yeah!
And they made us tie our hairs up and put it in like a net or a hat. And then I also worked at a boba store.
Look at how beautiful and pillowy this. I'm not done yet.
Do you see those little like
Flower
It
marks?
looks so good. Guys, look at how pretty this is.
Oh my god. Can you buy me a new baby's? Look at this.
That's like 20 years old.
Isn't this
Hey,
so
you did a good job.
good?
If this video gets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh my god, what are you counting?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1,234
Dude, stop talking.
likes. We'll buy Lauren a baking kit so she can start a baking channel.
Please, guys, I'm begging you. I can't be baking like this. What? What did she say?
I had these tiny ones. We're gonna use our tiny oven to cook this, and we can't find the rest of the pans, so we're using these little cupcakes that we found.
These are kind of cute though.
Guys, it's looking kind of good. It's really fat. It's gonna spill over the edge. It's not. Trust.
Pan that they're on is a little.
Dude, the cake expanded like 3 times the size. Help Lauren get up in bits. Look at the cake. Look at the cake. Cupcake taste test. We made a tiny cupcake so we can just snack on it. Is it hot?
It just came out, of course.
Oh, it's hot. What the heck? The inside looks great.
Oh, it's like a fluffy. I didn't smack them, so these ones have air bubbles on the inside.
Dude, that's like the best cake texture you've made so far. It's spongy and it's good. Last year was kind of hard,
Yeah, it was just hecka dry.
but this is really good. It's like we used boxed cake mix.
Forms these little air pockets, so make sure you smack.
Whoa!
Make sure you smack your cakes.
I'm getting kind of tired and like dizzy, so I think I'm gonna just show you guys the after of the cake.
See you soon.
Let me rest up. Bye. I wish you guys could smell my house right now because these two little bad boys came out and they smell so... Can I rip this?
Yeah, you can. Because I'm gonna level the top off.
Oh my god, it smells so good. Mmm. Mmm. Good job, Lauren. I can't wait to mold and make these, but look at how lovely it is.
Long.
We're like trying to predict what the jelly can will look like.
I want to put jam in between, so it's gonna be like this.
It's okay. He's a 6-foot king. I thought it was too brown, so she decided to peel off the edges. Oh no.
A little frosting. Wait, it looks kind of good, doesn't it? Or do you like it? That's so dark.
That one looks a little better. Should I get Lauren a piping bag? It just gets worse and worse. Get Lauren a piping bag.
Where? Like.
You know the song that's like,
Yeah. Yeah, I know.
It's literally the sound that I'm gonna use to this case. Like, you know that one?
Yeah, I do know. I know.
Oh, but Jesus.
Okay, but with like limited resources, this is kind of fire. Look at these scallops.
Oh my god.
Just nudge it on.
Oh my god.
This is so ugly.
Oh no.
This is actually so ugly.
I feel so sad.
Dude, give me the resources I need.
Back on there. What do I do?
It's not working out the way I was planning it to.
Yeah, there you go.
I'm trying my best. I didn't think about the smile. What do I do? Dude, its forehead, it's got a 10 in it. Oh, it's not smiling. Happy birthday.
This is terrible.
Oh, okay, that smile's actually not bad. It's just it's falling apart. It's too hot.
I just hear the audio. Dude, I'm crying. Oh.
Alright, we'll be making a part 2 to this video. I think we're done for today.
Oh my god, that's hilarious. It's over, it's cooked.
There's jelly.
See you soon, guys. Hope us buy a cake this year.
No, I'll make you one. Happy birthday to you. Hey, trial and error. Your birthday's not until July 15th.